Hi everyone. So today we are going to see how to get a job in IT and how to be surviving in IT. So one of our greatest person, Mr. Sundar Pichai once said, so don't be afraid to take risks in life. One of the greatest things in India is terms of education. So nowadays everyone wants to get a job in IT companies. So now we are going to see how to get a job in IT. So why I am here. So I am Surya, one of the manager of Besant Technologies. So now I am going to explain the courses which is we have a lot of openings in IT sectors. So there is some particular courses. So which are all the courses we have a lot of openings like development, testing and cloud computing. The fourth one is data analytics and data science. Okay guys, let's catch our next video for further updates. Thank you. If you want to get more information about the trendy courses and the further openings, then kindly follow us through our social medias and YouTube. So kindly contact this number